Hi, I'm Dhairya and today I'm showing you how to make the fudgiest brownies without condensed milk, eggs or an oven. These brownies have a shiny crinkly top and will literally melt in your mouth as you take a bite. I will also be telling you the settings if you want to bake these in an oven, so let's get started. We'll start by melting butter in a pan on low flame. Once the butter is completely melted, add in the chocolate. The most important tip to having the perfect brownies is to always use good quality chocolate. Now we have to melt this on low flame while continuously mixing so that the chocolate does not stick to the bottom. Take it off the flame once the chocolate is completely melted. Now we are warming some milk. We don't have to boil it, बस इतना गर्म करना है कि sugar उसमें अच्छे से dissolve हो जाए. Take it off the flame once it's a little warm. Now let's start making the batter. Add in the sugar and warm milk. Mix this really well until you feel that the sugar is completely dissolved. This will take about a couple of minutes. जब शुगर अच्छे से डिसॉल्व होता है तो बहुत अच्छा क्रिंकल टॉप आता है. So we have to try that our sugar is 100% dissolved in the milk. Add in the yogurt after the sugar is completely dissolved. Mix that in as well. Now we'll add in the melted butter and chocolate. Mix it until you have a smooth mixture. Now let's make the dry mix. In another bowl, take maida. Add cocoa powder and corn flour. Mix everything well. Now we'll add in the dry mix and fold that in. At this stage, we have to be very careful and not overmix the batter. Mix only until you can't see any lumps of flour. Brush the mold really well and put a sheet of baking paper. Pour in the batter and smoothen it out using a palette knife. For the baking, take a kadhai and spread salt on the base. Salt is added for even baking. I am using regular table salt, but it has turned brown because I have been using this since many years for baking. After you are done with the baking, let the salt cool down and store it for your next bake. Keep a small plate or stand so that the salt does not touch the cake mold directly. Cover with a bigger plate and put this on high flame for 7 to 8 minutes. If you want to bake these in an oven, you can bake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. After 7 to 8 minutes, our kadhai is now preheated. Turn the flame to medium and carefully put the mold in. Cover it again and make sure no steam is escaping. We cook this on medium flame for 25 to 30 minutes or until the toothpick comes out with a bit of crumbs. The difference between baking cakes and baking brownies is that हम केक को तब तक बेक करते हैं जब तक हमारी टूथपिक क्लीन नहीं बाहर आती. But in the case of brownies, we have to bake only until the toothpick comes out with a bit of crumbs. This is a sign of a fudgy brownie. After 25 to 30 minutes, check the brownies by inserting a toothpick. If it comes out with a bit of crumbs, it means that the brownies are perfectly baked. If you insert a toothpick and it comes out clean, मतलब brownies थोड़ी ज़्यादा bake हो गई हैं and they won't have a very fudgy texture. As soon as the brownies are out of the oven or kadhai, they are very soft. So if you demold them right away, they will break. Let them completely cool down before demolding them and cutting into small pieces. Many of you ask that your brownies get hard after they cool down. That is a result of overbaking. So always keep an eye while baking the brownie. Demold them only after they are properly cooled down. These brownies are very fudgy, chocolatey, and I'm sure you're gonna love them. I did not add baking powder or baking soda in this recipe because brownies are supposed to have a fudgy texture, so we don't require any leavening agent. But if you are baking a cakey brownie, then you'll require baking powder and baking soda. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to post the recipe for a cakey brownie. You can store these brownies in the fridge or at room temperature in an airtight container for up to 5 days. I really hope you try this recipe out. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Happy baking and bye.